Uy, kayo mangudo.
Pila ka buk matiten?
On the way to pick up Nitch from her school, and also to surprise Gail with Auntie Daya's gift for her for being an achiever just like Nitch.
Sorry, may kaneng.
Sige. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Zoom na ba?
Wala, uy. Di, napil ka sa honors din, no?
Oo.
Nag-study di ka, Gerard.
Study hard and you'll get perfect. May iPhone ka sa akin.
Nag-study man ka.
iPhone, ay piso. Wala iPhone.
Nagyatag si Tidaya niyo.
Yeah! 1,000! Thank you! Uli ako vlog.
Hindi ka liway, may
Sure ka ako ni?
Yes.
Hindi na imuha kay
Mama
sabak.
na nimo.
Ay sabak mama.
Ay ka, sa isang to Tidaya sa...
Uy, inikuli. Thank you, Daya. Ay sabak lagi. Ano ang tayo plate ni mo?
Mabay na.
Palit ko guys. Agi
Okay ra ka na, walay ma. Wala kay mo, yung mom. Wala siya iyahag guys. Uy, kayo mangudo.
Pila ka buk matiten? Kaptan gani ha. Thank you, Ate Daya. Thank you so much, Ate Daya.
Mangutan ko ni mo, ikapila ka sa inyong school? Ikapila ka, achievers ba ka sa inyong school?
Ha?
Achievers ka? Kapila? Achievers ka? Ha? Achievers ka? Very good. You study like hard. So, na-reward ni mo si Tidaya for you. So, isulti ni mo?
Thank you.
Thank you, Tidaya.
Thank you, Ate Daya.
Okay. Next is si Ate Inyel. Ate Daya. Ate Inyel, dali! Oh, ay, si ko. Video na, okay na ni. Achiever ka sa inyong school?
Oh.
Okay, naay kay nag-study ka hard. Naay reward si Ate Daya for you. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Ate Daya.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Auntie Daya, for being so generous to us since the beginning for your kindness to our family and your support. Whether it's for small achievements or simple celebrations, you're always there.